Hello guys, welcome to Microsoft Entra ID tutorial series. In the previous video we learned how to create user, how to manage user, how to create groups. In this tutorial I will show you how to delete user in Microsoft Entra ID. Are you ready? So let's get started. First you should open your browser and log in into Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Okay, then after that you should click on user, then click on all user. Here you can choose your user which you want to delete. If you have many user you can search from here, as you can see. So I want to delete this user. Okay, choose the user, and on the top we have option which is delete. Click on delete button. Delete the selected user. Okay, user has been successfully deleted. Okay, if you want to check, just click refresh. As you can see, now I have only one user. If you want to see the deleted user, click here on the left side. As you can see, this one. So sometimes you are deleting the wrong user, but you have the option that you can restore. Okay, just click the user, restore the user. As you can see, this one, click on that, restore the user. If I refresh this deleted user, now the user has been restored. That's how you can delete user and restore user in Microsoft Entra Admin Center. That's it, guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.